we're going to be looking at how to integrate polynomial functions. Integration of polynomial functions. We have done differentiation of polynomial function, and today we'll be looking at integration of polynomial function. The integration of polynomial function. So how do you actually integrate polynomial function? I already explained polynomial function when we're doing differentiation. It means it's a function whose variables are carrying constant powers, which is can be 0, 1 to infinity or 0 to minus infinity. Those are polynomial functions. Examples are this question 1 to 4. You're seeing here, they are exact polynomial functions. So how do we integrate this? We use this rule. We want to integrate polynomial function. As we have this sign means integration sign. This means with respect to s. That means integrating this function where n and a are constant numbers. You want to integrate this function now. A s raised power n, n and a are constant numbers. They are constants. Where a s is variable, a here is a constant number, s is a variable. So you want to integrate a s raised power n with respect to s. The answer will be a s raised power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. It means you should add 1 to the power and divide everything by that same power and add plus c to it. Now, what is the meaning of plus c? That plus c means integration constant. It's called integration constant. You add it to when you are true, or the answer you are obtaining from, or you obtained from integration questions. When you are solving definite, indefinite integration. When you are doing definite integration, there's no need of adding plus c to it. Now, integration is actually divided into two parts. Integration means, okay, let me quickly explain what this integration means. Integration means antiderivative, which is the reverse of differentiation. The reverse of differentiation, and the integration can be presented to you in two ways. We have integration that has upper and lower limits, which can be given in form of, let's say, a to b, s, dx, something like this. We have upper and lower limits. Then this one that has upper and lower limits are called definite integration. And this we are doing now, they don't have any limit. They are called indefinite integration. So if you solve indefinite integration, you must have plus c at the end of the day, so that you know that we have added integration constant. So applying this rule, now this is the first one. The second one is if you integrate a constant with respect to x, the answer will be the constant times that s plus c. So if I integrate a with respect to s, the answer will be as, just like a times s, that's as. Although there's a way of solving it in which we have a s raised power 0. If you now add 1 to that 0, that will be 1. If I go by that 1 plus 0, that will also be 1. Now we have a s. This is just a short one. Let me show you. If you integrate a constant with respect to a number, the answer will be that constant times that number. That's what we're going to have. Just a short way of obtaining that. So applying this rule, the rule for this is already s raised power 1. You can write this question this way: s power 1 plus 1 ds. Although we don't put 1, because if we are saying s power 1 is saying s prime, so we don't do it like that. So that will give us s power 1 plus 1, adding, just add 1 to the power, multiply by 1 plus 1 plus, now if we integrate 1, remember if you integrate 1 is a constant number because it's not have x, integrate 1 will be 1 times x, what is that? That is 1x. Just as you have ax here, a don't have s. You need to to s, it's going to be ax, that is 1s, then plus c. So everything will now be x squared over 2 plus x plus c. That will be the answer to this first problem. And that's what we are applying this rule. The next one is this. This is s squared plus 3s plus 4. So if you do this, you're going to have x 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. Applying this rule. Then plus 3, remember this is power 1. X is power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 4 times s, that is that, 4s plus c. Remember I told you if you're integrating what don't have anything that you related to, if that number times that thing you are integrating related to. So 4 is acted as a constant here. Now if you're integrating a constant number, just to multiply this s, and I'll give you the answer there. So we're going to have, we have him s is power 3 over 3 plus 3s squared over 2 plus 4s plus c. That's what we have in that place. Okay, look at the next question here. The next question we have here is integrate AS squared plus BS plus C, which form of a quadratic expression. So if you do that, we're going to be having, applying this rule, we're going to be having AX is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus BS is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus C times X, because C don't have X, that's the constant over. C times X, that's CX. Plus, I will not use C now, since our integration constant is C. I can also say plus R. So that I don't say this C and that C is not opposite. This C and this C, they are not the same thing. This one is a constant term in quadratic expression, but this one is integration constant. So that's how it is. So we are going to be having AS cubed all over T plus BS squared all over 2 plus CX plus R. Where R is the integration constant there. This arrow means integration constant. You can also say plus C. You can also say plus C in this place, but ensure that this C, you know that this C and this other C are not the same thing. This one is from the question, but this one means integration constant. For the thing not to be ambiguous, you are going to be replacing that with R to remove ambiguity. That's why we are using R for that. So the last one is this question. The last question there, which is to give us 4s equal 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus s power 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus 11 times s, because 11 don't have s, that was 11x plus c. So we'll be having 4 power 3 plus 1 is what? That is 4 over 4 plus s squared over 2 plus 11x plus c. And now we'll be giving us 4 to 4, that's s power 4 plus s squared over 2 plus 11x plus c. That will be the answer. That will be the answer. That will be the answer to that. So we have number 6. We have integral. Let's say we have 1 plus 6x dx. 1 plus 6x dx. So this is not far from integrating 1. That's 1 times s. That is 1x. Plus integrating 6. That is 6s squared over 2. Now give us x, s plus c. So that's 6s squared over that is s plus this into the that's 3, that's 3s. Okay, let me just arrange it well. Now say the power of s, that is 3s squared plus x plus c. That's what we're going to be having in that case. So thank you, God bless you. See you guys in our next class.